Now it's time to flat twist. This clip is sped up so you can't really see what I'm doing, but all I am doing is grabbing the section and twisting it over to the other section. So I'm going to slow it right down. I'm going to use my thumb to grab a section. Then I'm going to take my index finger and grab that section as well so I can pull it over to the opposite section. And then I'm going to be slowly moving my fingers down that section just to detangle it, just to get those knots out on the ends. I'm going to show this again. I'm going to apply the hairdo in the middle. I'm going to take a section in the back, just one section, and pull it to the right. I have that section taut. Now I'm going to take my thumb and create a section I want to carry over to the other section. I'm using my index finger to grab it and to help carry that section over. And as I am moving my fingers down, I'm detangling it.
May other lights never blind us. See your glory all around us. Lord, guide us as we walk towards your throne so we can bow.
Take your thumb to create that section, add your index finger, carry it over, make a 2-strand twist. And keep repeating those same steps. Thumb, index finger, carry it over, detangle. Thumb, index finger to carry it over. Use your fingers to gently detangle it. And that's all you want to do to flat twist. You want to make sure that the sections you are carrying over are pretty equal in size, just so you won't get a variation of sizes once you unravel your flat twist. And when you get to the ends, you just do a regular 2-strand twist, and I did do a hanging bantu knot on the ends.
I've been afraid to get blood on my face. We wanna bow. So let our faces hit the floor so heart will never be the same. Let our lights be a lamp and a reflection of our King.
So I'm taking my thumb, creating that section. Then I'm going to take my index finger so I can pull that section to the other section. And when I am twisting those sections together, I'm switching the sections in both hands. Then as I am moving down the section, I'm slightly detangling it. Just take your time and practice a lot. You will get better with time. You just have to keep doing it.
He who was and is to come, Lamb of God, the sovereign one. We can't move until you come. We won't move until you come. Oh, he who was and is to come. Oh, Lamb of God, the sovereign one. We can't move until you come. We can't move until you come.